Well, the Racing Experience is in big trouble tonight, accused of cheating customers out of their money.
Here's Call for Action's Keith King. Keith?
Mark, Elizabeth, good evening. Call for Action received several complaints against the Racing Experience. Customers paid hundreds of dollars to drive a race car around the Kansas Speedway. And today, Johnson County District Attorney filed an action against the company trying to recoup money for consumers left feeling ripped off. The Johnson County District Attorney this afternoon announced he's filing an action against the Racing Experience and CEO Kelly Bussey for cheating customers and violating the Kansas Consumer Protection Act.
The bottom line is they were not provided the services that he promised them, and we felt it was not done in good faith, and that's the reason for the petition being filed today.
The Racing Experience offered customers a chance to get behind the wheel of a race car on the Kansas Speedway or at Talladega. In 2005, NBC Action News profiled the company. The CEO explained the adrenaline rush behind what he offered.
Because we want you passing, drafting, running side by side. We want the aggressive nature of racing. Our favorite thing to say to customers is if you're not passing, you're not racing.
In 2010, Call for Action received several complaints from customers who paid hundreds of dollars and received nothing in return. Today, DA Steve Howe says a number of consumers have been unable to utilize their racing packages and have been unable to get a refund. He names the company and CEO Kelly Bussey, saying they engaged in deceptive and unconscionable acts.
Our goal, of course, always is to get restitution back for these victims who are out the money, and that is our primary goal. But at the same time, we also want to prevent people from continuing to conduct business in this manner.
Howe says his office has received complaints from 40 consumers. He seeks restitution for each one, as well as $10,000 in fines for each violation of the State Consumer Protection Act. And late this afternoon, I spoke with the CEO who promises to repay everyone who is still owed money. Kelly Bussey says he will continue to refund as fast as fiscally possible, adding, quote, "We are doing everything we can." In fact, 5 out of the 6 customers who called Call for Action last year has already received their refund. If you are owed money from the Racing Experience, District Attorney Steve Howe says to contact his consumer division. That number is 913-715-3003. For Call for Action, I'm Keith King.